silence calling, no place to run, just a fading sky and setting sun. The world can keep its worries tonight. I've carried enough, I'm setting them light. For once I'm not chasing what I can't control, I'm just letting the moment fill my soul. Fireworks and freedom lighting up the sky, watching all my troubles drifting past me by. Maybe it's happiness, maybe it's relief, maybe I've just laid down what I didn't need. For a little while I'm finally free. Nothing but the night, the stars and me. Fireworks and freedom, that's enough for me. Yeah. Colors bloom above the crowd, children laughing, voices loud. No need to wonder what tomorrow brings. Tonight I'm grateful for simple things. I spent too many years holding on to battles that were already gone. Now I breathe deep and let it all fade, like sparks disappearing in the summer haze. Maybe the secret isn't hard to find. Maybe it's peace inside your mind, not having everything work out your way, but learning to enjoy this day. Fireworks and freedom lighting up the sky, watching all my troubles drifting past me by. Whether it's euphoria or sweet release, for this moment I found a little peace. The world keeps turning, let it be. Tonight belongs to the stars and me. Fireworks and freedom, that's enough for me. The last spark fades into the night, and somehow everything feels right.